Getting Grammarly free trial on your desktop is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be guiding you how to do it properly. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. I will be providing the Grammarly link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So what we have to do exactly is to open up the Grammarly website. And once we are on the main page, on the top right side, you will see Get Grammarly. It's free. All we have to do is simply go to the Get Grammarly for free. And here, what you have to do is to sign up with a Google account. Once you've done that, they will simply ask for your permission to continue. So simply go ahead and sign into the Grammarly using your Google account. And once you have done that, you will be signed into your Grammarly account. And now how to get the free trial. First of all, what we have to do is to complete the account setup. For example, the purpose that we're going to use this tool for. For example, I'm going to go for the work. And so once you've done that, you will see that you will have two options. Use it for free, without any paid subscription. And the second option is Pro, where there are a lot of stuff that you can do that is specific to the Pro version, which is everything included in free. Then rewrite full sentences, adjust your writing tone, stay on brand, write fluently in English, catch accidental plagiarism, and generate text with 2000 AI prompts. So if we're gonna go with this one, which says 12 USD per month, they will ask for monthly or annually or quarterly payments. So you can go and select with either of them. And the next one is the payment details. So here what you have to do is to go ahead and give your card account. So this is how you can get the pro version. If you want to go and join the free trial of the Grammarly, you can go with the free version, which is right over here. So simply go ahead and continue to Grammarly and get Grammarly for the Windows, and it will add extension to your Google Chrome account. So by doing that, your Grammarly will be activated on your Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.